How to add Bitcoin to PayPal wallet. First, download PayPal application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log in to your PayPal account. On homepage, click on the Finances button. It's going to be down here on the bottom left. Once you click there, you will see these three options at the top. Click on this one here to the right called Crypto. In order to add Bitcoin on PayPal, you want to click on Bitcoin. Click on directional arrows down here. Click on Send BTC. You can go ahead and send Bitcoin by pasting your target address in the Bitcoin wallet address right here. Then click on Send to button here. Enter the amount. Now if you click Next and Send, it will add in your PayPal account. That's it. Thanks for watching.